Hi, my name is Irfan. Since Kfi Global has come, I've had the change in mindset about how I should spend my money and how expenses and the difference between wants and needs and how it can help me in life after college as well. Thank you to Dubai Islamic for sponsoring us.
Hi, my name is Amina. Today I learned how to effectively manage my finances, especially for uni. Thank you for Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring.
My name is Rend and I learned the difference between credit cards and debit cards and how to balance my finances after university. Thank you Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this.
My name is George Mansour. Today I learned how to budget, I learned how to use credit cards and debit cards, and I learned how to use that. Thank you to Kfi Global for teaching us today.
Hi, my name is Marwan. I learned the difference between good debt and bad debt. Thank you to Kfi Global for helping us.